The Zulfiqar II, an Iranian-made main battle tank, represents a unique chapter in the world of armored warfare. While the M1 Abrams remains the gold standard for modern Western tanks, the Zulfiqar II stands as a bold challenge to its dominance in the battlefield. Developed in the 1990s by Iran, the Zulfiqar II is part of Iran's efforts to develop a domestically produced tank capable of confronting both regional and global threats. However, comparing it to the M1 Abrams reveals a story of ambition, limitations, and an attempt to compete with one of the most advanced tanks in the world. The Zulfiqar II's design is rooted in Iran's desire for self-sufficiency in defense technology, particularly after facing sanctions that limited its ability to procure modern military equipment from the West. The tank itself is an upgraded version of the original Zulfiqar, which was based on the British Chieftain tank, with improvements made to its armor, firepower, and overall mobility. The Zulfiqar II was designed to modernize the existing fleet of Iranian tanks. But the question remains, can a tank like the Zulfiqar II truly rival the M1 Abrams, a vehicle renowned for its cutting-edge technology and battlefield performance? At the heart of the Zulfiqar II's design is its firepower. The tank is equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing a wide variety of ammunition, including APF-SDS rounds and high-explosive shells. This gun is comparable in capability to the M1 Abrams 120mm smoothbore gun, which has proven highly effective against armored targets. However, the M1 Abrams benefits from superior targeting systems, including a highly advanced fire control system and a powerful thermal imaging sight, which allows it to engage targets at long ranges with pinpoint accuracy, even in the dark or through smoke. The Zulfiqar II's targeting systems are not as advanced, and while it does possess a modern fire control system, it lags behind the Abrams in terms of precision and ease of use in a fast-moving combat scenario. Armor is another crucial area where the M1 Abrams has a clear advantage. The Abrams features composite armor and reactive armor, along with layers of depleted uranium in some models, which offers exceptional protection against kinetic and chemical projectiles. The Zulfiqar II, on the other hand, uses a combination of composite and reactive armor, but the exact details of its protection remain unclear. While it's believed to be well armored for its class, it cannot compete with the Abrams' superior defensive capabilities. The M1's armor is specifically designed to withstand the most advanced anti-tank weapons on the battlefield, making it far more survivable in a direct confrontation. One of the most significant differences between the Zulfiqar II and the M1 Abrams lies in their mobility and engine performance. The Zulfiqar II is powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine, which provides a top speed of around 65 kilometers per hour, about 40 miles per hour. While this is respectable, the M1 Abrams is powered by a turbine engine capable of producing 1,500 horsepower as well, but it can reach a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour, 45 miles per hour. The Abrams turbine engine, while less fuel efficient than the Zulfiqar II's diesel, offers superior acceleration and speed, especially over rough terrain, giving it a distinct advantage in mobility. The M1 Abrams also features superior cross-country performance, aided by its advanced suspension and lighter weight. One of the greatest strengths of the M1 Abrams is its integration of advanced technologies, particularly the Integrated Digital Fire Control System, IDFCS, which allows for seamless communication and coordination between the tank's various subsystems. The Zulfiqar II, while a modern tank by Iranian standards, lacks the cutting-edge technologies integrated into the Abrams. This difference in technological sophistication could be critical in a real-world conflict, where the ability to respond to threats quickly and with precision is paramount. In terms of operational history, the Zulfiqar II has not been tested in combat on the scale of the M1 Abrams. While the Iranian military has used it in various military drills and regional confrontations, the tank has not faced the kind of high-intensity combat against sophisticated adversaries that the Abrams has. The M1 Abrams has proven its mettle in numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. Its combat record is one of consistent success, with the tank showcasing its firepower, mobility, and survivability against a wide range of enemy forces. On the other hand, the Zulfiqar II's combat record is limited, and its real-world performance in a high-stakes war is largely unproven.